This brand is backed by a very good guarantee that includes unit replacement, and they can be purchased directly through their website or Amazon store. The MCB50YSAU model is a 3-stage air purifier with a UVC light, carbon, filter, and true HEPA filter. The unit has a 4-speed fan that can be controlled by the air quality sensors and provides a 3-color indicator of the room's current air quality. The unit has a quiet mode for sleeping where the fan speed is reduced and the noise is reduced to 21 decibels, which is much less than a whisper. The units have an econo mode for energy savings and a wave mode which switches the fan from standard speed to low speed every 5 minutes, which is supposed to provide a more natural rhythm to airflow, but it seems like nonsense. The MCB70YSAU model adds a humidifier and has a coverage area of 330 square feet. The units are only controlled at the console, which is much less convenient than brands that are Wi-Fi and voice control enabled, and they lack modern styling. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.